Dad, check this out. I made the ultimate remote, controls everything. Helicopter, TV, fan, even the coconut juicer. So if we lose it, we lose everything. No, my digital baby. A remote that controls the copter? If I steal it, I'll become the president of Coconutland. Peanut Airlines will rule the sky. No more Coconut Airlines. Give the remote back, cat. I built it with sweat and coconut oil. Never. I'm trading it for 100 kilos of dried fish. Who even wants that much dried fish? Ah, my dried fish stash is soaked in coconut juice. That's what happens when you use a remote without Bluetooth sync. Cat-made tech always crashes, like their planes.